Hey guys, so I had this urgent thought. So literally within the past week, I've had two agents, ask me about giving out links, like, whether it's a hotel link, they've saved some, they've booked, not booked, they've reserved some hotel spots or hotel rooms, group bookings, or whether, any type of links, to give the client. And so I had this urgent thought, I was like, what, let me let everybody know. So let's say you booked the trip, right? And you didn't want to do all of the back end work of applying your client's payment to that hotel, or just all of the work that what travel agents do. This is what we do on the daily. Let's just say you wanted to give out links, right? Give out links, and then they go directly to the hotel or go directly to the supplier and make those payments. My first question is, one, how are you in control of that booking? Two, how do you know the confirmation codes of that booking? Three, how do you know exactly who's booking? Four, how do you know how much do they have left? Five, how are you servicing that client as a travel agent? Because anybody can do that. Anybody can go on. Oh, wait, let's wait a minute. Let's back this up. Number six, how are you getting paid your commissions as a travel agent if all of this is not connected properly? Okay? So any consumer can go in and go to a hotel and create a group booking, right? And so now they have a link they could just give to everybody. You as a travel agent, you're different, right? Travel agents service clients. Not only that, we get paid that commission that's within that hotel booking and within that supplier booking for servicing those clients. So one, if that booking is not set up properly, how are you going to get paid, right? So let's even say you added the IATA number into that group booking. Okay, so now they know that the commission belongs to Mommy and We Travels, right? On the host agency side, we all know that it's the agent's responsibility to go in and register those bookings, correct? Correct. So my thought and my train of mind is, one, how are you going to know what that hotel owes you as a travel agent? Because I've seen it. I've had to fight with the hotel, go back and forth about my agent's commission. My agent, they kept track of everything. Instead of giving the clients the link, they chose to go through TravelJoy and keep track of everything. They have the confirmation numbers. They were able to register every single thing over on this side as a travel agent. So they were able to keep track of it. They know how much the hotel actually owed them because, they said 10% commission. Okay, now they know that, right? And so because they were able to go in and register each client and get a confirmation number for each and every client, listen, now they can properly go into their travel agent back in and register that booking. Listen, everybody and their mama already know whenever we get commissions as a travel agency over here, it does not come in the travel agent's name. In fact, let me show you. All right, so this is a check from Wyndham, right? So let me make it, there we go, right? Mommy and We Travels, okay? This checks come in the name of Mommy and We Travel. So there's absolutely no way for us as a travel agency, me as a travel agency owner, to know that these checks belong to you guys, okay? So if, let's say by chance, let's go back to that agent. So because the agent was going in and she was registering each and every booking, that she went in and booked personally for this special group link that she had for this specific hotel, when it came time for that hotel to pay commissions and they didn't pay commissions, it was taking them months. Guess what? I was on the phone. She emailed me and told me, hey, what's, this and this. And I was able to get on the phone with that hotel provider. And so that hotel provider, they were trying to give us the runaround. No, these are the commissions that you owe us. These are the ones that my client, my agent actually booked. And so, granted, there were some people that didn't show up, but those were the commissions that were actually booked. And so that hotel owed us. And so that's what they're going to give us. They're going to give us what they're owed. And so let's go to the reverse side of that. If you have given your clients a group booking link and have told your clients to go on and book all on their own, one, you do not have a group booking, a confirmation code per person so that you can register your booking. So whenever we get the commissions for that, I don't know that it belongs to you. And so that it's just going to be sitting into an unclaimed commission account. If you guys are live on Facebook right now, guess what? Go to the search engine, type in unclaimed commission. And you will see just how many people are forgetting to register their booking, okay? And so that money is literally just sitting in an unclaimed commission account. I don't want that money to sit there. I want to pay you guys, okay? So do yourself a huge favor. If you've ever been thinking about just creating a group, sending the clients the link for it, and letting the client book by themselves, listen, you're doing yourself a disservice and you're doing your clients a disservice as well. You're providing the same level of service as, Priceline, as Expedia, as any of the other booking engines. You're providing no more value to them besides, a little better rate. And so someone says, well, it's too much work to do that. Well, listen, let me tell you, it's too much work not to do that, okay? So you sold 10 rooms, and those rooms are, let's say, let's call them $150, a piece. Okay, 150 times 10. That's the commission that you're going to be losing because you're not registering these bookings. If a client is going on and they're booking this all by themselves, you have no proof. You have no proof that the client has booked this, okay? And so let's say, they booked it, it's there. You still need to register your booking for each and every person. You can't just go in and register the whole group booking number. No, that's not how we do it, because when things come in, it does not come in under the group booking number. I have zero clue about the group booking number. It comes in under individual booking numbers per client. So I just wanted to say, out loud, if you guys are ever thinking about just creating a group and giving out the group booking number or the group link, I want to say that you do not have control over that booking, okay? You don't have control over that booking. And because you don't have control over that booking, how are you going to get paid as a travel agent? There's no way, absolutely no way for you to get paid for that booking if you're not registering all of those bookings individually with your confirmation number. Of course, you need your confirmation page that's actually showing the client's full name, showing the client's their booking number, showing the room type. You need proof that you booked that trip. So if the client is booking the trip, you didn't book that trip, okay? So remember, every single thing needs to be registered in the back office. Whether you're with this host agency, that host agency, it doesn't matter. All of them need to be registered in order for the host agency to pay out any amount of commission, whether it's $5, $500, $5,000. It needs to be registered. There's no way to know that you booked this and that these bookings belong to you as the travel agent if you're not registering them as a travel agent. So don't say I didn't tell you guys that, hey, it's not a good idea to give out group booking codes, and if you don't want to listen, hey, there's really nothing that I can do, about your lost commissions. You're going to have to go to the hotel supplier and, say, hey, can you send me the list? Can you do this? And you still have to register each and every one of those individually. And you're still going to have to give the individual booking confirmation codes. And so whether you're going to have to contact each one of those clients that's on the list and say, hey, can you forward me your confirmation page? Listen, that's all up to you. But if you don't want to do the work on the front end because it's too hard, guess what? I'm here to tell you that it's too hard not to. It's too hard not to do that. Okay, it's going to be way harder on the back end for you to try to recover all of those clients, confirmation information and booking details. Because guess what? I'm not going to do it. Oh no! I'm not going to do it. That's your job as the travel agent to do these type of things. So, that's all I'm saying. So can't say that I didn't tell you. Listen, I'm here to warn you. I'm here to tell you, if you're going to be giving out group booking pages, I don't know how you're going to get paid if you're not registering each and every booking individually with us, with the full confirmation page and with, all of the client details that's there. So if you guys have any questions about it, listen, in the comments, go ahead and put everything in the comments, and or you could text me about it. But listen, I'm here to tell you, it's not a good idea for you, the travel agent, to not be in control of your booking. It's too hard not to. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard to do it, to set up something in TravelJoy if you've never learned how to do it. But it's even harder to try to retrieve things on the back end to prove that this booking belongs to you. Because when we receive commission, we receive the commission based on the individual bookings, not on the group. Okay, so I really hope that this helps someone. I don't want to see anyone learn the hard way. So I'm always here to try to teach and show people the easy way to do it instead of having to struggle on the back end. Okay, so I hope that this helps somebody. If you guys have any questions on that, hey, listen, just let me know. If not, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.